I wash the apple. Wipe, wipe. I wipe the apple. Cut, cut. I cut the apple. Peel, peel. I peel the apple. Peel. This is an orange. I peel the orange. This is a potato. I peel the potato. Cut, cut. I cut a lemon. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze is a verb. I squeeze a lemon. Grate, grate. I grate the carrot. Slice. Slice is a verb. I slice a banana. Now it's time for a quiz. A lemon. Peel, squeeze. I squeeze a lemon. I the potato. Peel, cut. I peel the potato. I the apple. Slice or wash. Excellent! I wash the apple. Look at the picture. Now say wipe or cut. Good! It's wipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See you next time. Goodbye!